In this video, we will explore the match function in Microsoft Excel. The match function helps you find the position of any value within a range of cells. Let's dive in and unlock advanced lookups with the match function. The match function searches for a specific value within a range of cells and returns its relative position. For example, if you're looking for a particular item in a list, the match function will tell you that item is in, say, the third position. Important thing to note is that the function returns the position number, not the value itself. The output is the position number 3. The syntax for the match function is as follows: equals match, open parenthesis, lookup value, comma, lookup array, comma, match type, close parenthesis. Here, the lookup value is the value that you want to search for. The lookup array is the range of cells where you want to search. Match type specifies how you want to match the lookup value, and it's optional. When using the match function, you have 3 options for the match type argument. If you use 1, the less than option, match finds the largest value that is less than or equal to the lookup value. If you specify 0, the exact match option, match finds the exact value. This is the most commonly used option. If you use -1, the greater than option, match finds the smallest value that is greater than or equal to the lookup value. Let's look at a simple example. Here in the Excel table, the range A1 to A5 contains a list of products: apple, banana, orange, grape, and mango. If we use the formula equals match, open parenthesis, quotation mark orange, quotation mark, comma, A1 colon A5, comma, 0, close parenthesis, the match function will search for orange in the range A1 to A5 and return the position of orange, which is 3 because orange is in the third position in that range. Let's see how the match function works with numbers. In this example, the range B1 to B6 contains a list of scores. If we use the formula equals match, open parenthesis, 95, comma, B1 colon B6, comma, 0, close parenthesis, the match function will search for the number 95 in the range B1 to B6 and return the position of the number 95, which is 4 because 95 is in the fourth position. The match function is often used in combination with the index function to perform advanced lookups. The match function finds the position of a value in a range and returns a position number. The index function uses that position number to get the actual value from another range. It's a perfect partnership where the match function finds where the value is, and the index function gets what that value is. Here are the key takeaways from this video. First, the match function finds the position of any value in a range. Second, the match function is a perfect foundation for index match advanced lookups. Now you're ready to unlock advanced Excel lookups. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.